This is the dinosaur bread. I call it Stegosaurus loaf. I use about 22% high extraction wheat and an overnight long ferment at room temperature. But the best part of this bread is the scoring. It's a lot of fun. We'll be starting with 90 grams of 100% sourdough starter. It was fed about 6 hours ago. It's really nice and vigorous. So we need 90 grams. It'll be 10% inoculation in this dough. There won't be very much sourdough starter in it. There we go. So we have 90 grams of sourdough starter at 100% hydration. You can see that's not very much. We'll be adding 585 grams of water. Stir that up. I'm adding 655 grams of white flour. This is a mixture of bread flour and all-purpose flour. We'll be adding 200 grams of high extraction whole wheat flour. I just ground this a few minutes ago and then I sifted out the coarser particles. We have 17 grams of salt. And now we'll just mix this all up. I'll fold this dough a couple times before going to bed tonight, and then I'm just going to allow it to sit at room temperature all night long. This dough will be at 70% hydration. This is a real fun, easy dough to make up just before going to bed. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening. It'll still give me a chance to fold it a few times before bedtime. Make sure to get all the flour out of the corners and from underneath. Well, you know that gluten development isn't doing anything yet, but we'll go ahead and look. It's real sticky dough at this point. No gluten development. So let's see what the temperature of the dough is. Room temperature is about 64 degrees, which for my kitchen is warmer than usual. Okay, let's see what the dough is. Okay, it looks like it's 65.9. So I'll say it's about 66 degrees Fahrenheit. It's right, there we go, right on the edge. We'll put a lid on that and I'll be back in a little while to fold.